Hey, listen, dude, let's be civil, okay?
What part of this conversation has not been civil?
From when you started speaking. Hello, this is Mary. Can I help you with something?
Hi, I hope so, Mary. I'm looking to lease some space.
What size are you looking for? What do you want to use it for?
I'm in the coin laundromat business, ma'am.
Oh, the laundromat. Okay. Have I spoken to you in the past?
Welcome. I'm Julia Child. Today we're going to make a holiday feast, or les fêtes d'holiday.
The reason I ask, I have just finished reviewing a laundromat lease, but I don't recall your name being Angelo.
Well, A, that's not my name, and B, we have not talked in the past.
Okay, we do have a laundromat in there now, sir.
I know.
And I'm sorry for calling you Mr. Angelo. Oh, you know. Okay. You want to put another laundromat in the shopping center?
No. Rather than ask
Okay.
yes or no questions, let's do it this way. I'm interested, Mary. I'm interested, Mary, in an existing coin laundromat so that I don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on gas, water, electric. Instead, I just renew the equipment, so that saves me. You said you're reviewing a lease. Are you looking at a lease in this spot or somewhere else?
No, there is a laundromat already, sir.
I know that. If there wasn't, I wouldn't be calling you. Yes, there is a laundromat.
Let's do this. Hey, listen, dude, let's be civil, okay?
What part of this conversation has not been civil?
From when you started speaking.
Oh, well, anyway, it's time to bone the chicken. Now, for this, you need a very sharp knife. Can't do nothing without a sharp knife.
You're looking to replace equipment in a laundromat, is that correct?
That is correct.
Right, that didn't take long, just a sentence. Okay, and so you're calling for what purpose?
You say you own the building, correct? You personally
Get
are the
to the
landlord.
point.
Pardon me?
I am the owner.
Excellent. So what you want are good long-term tenants, and I run and operate successful laundromats. If and when your tenant gives up the ghost, I would like to discuss lease terms and spend the money on new equipment. I'm not interested in buying out their lease or purchasing their business rights. I'm interested in leasing the space. Maybe not today, tomorrow, or next week, but maybe next year or within months or decades when they do fold up and leave that particular location. Right. I'm aware that there's a laundry, otherwise I wouldn't be calling.
Now you have gotten to the point and explained to me why you are calling. Please tell me, sir, your name and your contact information, like email and telephone. And if we get vacancies in the laundromat, I will contact you.
Brilliant. My name is Danny D'Angelo, and what I will do is send you an email if you don't mind. What's your email address?
So you are actually a D'Angelo. Okay. You can send, do you have a telephone I can access if and when?
Yeah, I'll put it in the email. And the number that you're looking at is actually my cell phone number if you have caller ID at all.
Okay, Mr. D'Angelo, good luck with your search.
No such thing as luck.
And I will be in touch with you if something pops up.
What in the fuck was that?
Oh, man. I don't know. She sounded a little elderly.
Forget about elderly. How about utterly mad, to use a British phrase? My goodness. I am being extremely Julia Childs. You are not being properly vetted for the... Well, don't you, young man, Mr. Angelo?
First, you must stop the bleeding. pressure on the apron like so. Now, you want to raise your hand over your head?
She was reviewing a lease.
No, I'm
What was she
reviewing the
reviewing?
lease right now. I speak. It's just a flesh wound.
Yeah, I wonder what was she reviewing? Sounded like there was a new tenant already coming in there or something, the way she was making it sound.
I am not surprised by anything that these people say. First and foremost, the woman answers the phone and I ask for the realtor and she says, "What is this in regards?" And I said, "Real estate." And then you could hear her in the background, "Is that real estate?"
Well, I think I'm going to go to sleep now. Bon appetit.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.